Hi guys, how we doing? Phil Kent here and with another Save Club review video, and I'm just going to bring you up to date on where I am and what I'm going to be doing for those that get on board with my team, because I'm putting together my own sort of funnel and capture pages and stuff like that. They will mostly be hosted on LeadsLeap, so you will need a LeadsLeap account, but you can get one for absolutely free, or you can take the pro membership as well. So I'm logged into my dashboard. There's a lot of videos out there showing you how to use the products, and because I'm in the UK, there's not as many that have dropped for the UK as we speak, because it's in very early launch days, so just time will tell. But check out some of the company videos, etc., that show you how to search for deals, and the latest webinars on my funnel gives a walkthrough of that as well. So as you can see, that's how to access your deals. It's just like using a normal search site, but you could search for things that you're already using every single day, like shopping, eating, dining out, you name it, travel, oil changes for cars, tyres, all sorts. Okay, plenty of things on there. Now, what I've been doing over the last day or so, I've been putting together my own sort of funnel that people can use, because obviously you can't promote this directly with paid traffic. A lot of people like to use paid traffic because it's just their preference, but you can't send it straight to their websites. Okay, so you can't sort of send paid traffic straight to here, because it'll end get your membership shut down and things like that. But what you can do, you can send it to a capture page of some sort, and then you can then have that capture page go to a page of your choice, or then to this page. That kind of works, if that makes sense. Okay, so what I've been doing is just have a look. I'll put together a quick capture page first of all. I'm going to put together 2 or 3. This kind of capture page is very effective. I've used it on other programs before. If you've been in the industry, you'll know that these sort of things do work extremely well. A bit croaky today, excuse me. Just says, congratulations, you found this page. Discover the ultimate savings and earnings opportunity of 2025, where you can turn everyday spending into a money-making machine. Drop your best email, bomb, yes, show me, okay? So when they see that, they can just drop an email in and show them. Now you can either, you can choose, if you get on board myself, I'll give you the share code for this page, and then you can redirect that straight to one of your sort of Save Club websites if you so wish. Or what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be I've put a little funnel page together as well. So let's just sort of go and find that. Let's go up to the top here. And here's my funnel page. So welcome, watch the video. This gives the Save Club product overview video. This is by one of the Save Club YouTube channels themselves. Okay, it's not a very long video. It's just a few, about 10 minutes, of course, I remember, not sure. Just gives a product overview, and it shows you exactly how to search for the deals and how it works. So basically, you can just show people how to save money. If you know someone that goes to the movies, if you know somebody that goes dining out a lot and things like that, and you can get them a saving on that with a coupon or whatever it is. Okay, if they have joined through you and they're decided to join that Save Club and use that code, guess what? You're going to get paid. So it's a win-win situation. Okay, you're helping people save money, and in doing so you're earning money yourself, and then it's like a domino effect. Okay, so that goes through how it all works. Click here to enroll and grab your free position. This is one of my own videos, a Save Club review video, where after just how to join and get started, just about an 8-minute long video, just to walk you through what you do once you've got your pre-enrolled position and things like that, and how to get signed up, the membership options that are available to you, quite basic stuff. And then on the bottom there, I've dropped the latest Save Club webinar video, which I may obviously update as things goes along, because I could just swap that video out for one that's more up to date. And this one was on June the 4th. It would appear to be. Yes, then you can log into Save Club as well. And then down the bottom, you can get a copy of this page. This one's actually, if you're looking at this one, this code doesn't currently work, because that was for an old page, so that wouldn't bring in this page. But I'm going to update that obviously for people, so you can get a share code for the page inside of LeadsLeap. Join LeadsLeap for free. Highly recommend you take the pro membership, because you do get a lot more with it. And then I've put a tab here, your sponsors' favourite traffic sites. Now I'm going to offer this my splash pages and capture pages as well that I've got previously. They did come part of something else that I joined, but I managed to customize them into my own. You can get a copy of those, so you can use them for sort of traffic and building leads and sales and things like that. Plus I've got LeadsLeap training link there and a success blueprint, which I'm going to be updating as well. You're going to get a copy of this funnel. Really easy to get in, set up. You'll import the entire funnel into your LeadsLeap account. So then you're going to get one of these pages. I've got the Traffic Fortune Blueprint, as I call it. Welcome to your complete Traffic Fortune Blueprint. And then you're going to get a page like this, once again from LeadsLeap. So you get a copy of this complete page. Got how to duplicate this funnel with the share codes, which looks something like that. Okay. And then you've got what is the share code. You've got a LeadsLeap training video course there. That's all put together. So for those that don't know how to use LeadsLeap or not quite familiar, we've got an entire LeadsLeap training course. And then I've got some tabs down the bottom that are customizable to your own, so you can put in your own programs of choice here, or just follow my recommendations, entirely up to yourself. And right at the bottom I've got some banners for the popular traffic exchanges and safe lists that I use. So all this is easily duplicatable. You just copy a share code and import it straight into LeadsLeap. Now you're going to get a copy of all this. Like I said, here's some of the pages that I've got. Stop the insanity page there. These kind of pages work extremely well on traffic exchanges and mailers and things like that. I've got create truckloads of Traffic Fortune, and another one there, Traffic Fortune Blueprint, and fully customizable. Put your own picture there, stuff like that, and then you'll get a copy of these things. Now, I do like to do things like this. I've learned from other people that do extremely well in programs, and if you can put something out there like a funnel that's easily duplicatable, it separates you from everybody else, because when you're going to be going around, you're going to see these pages everywhere. If you're surfing say on traffic exchanges or mailers or people's links, they're going to be pushing either this one or that one, and you'll see them everywhere. And apart from the name at the top, there's nothing different. So you need to separate yourself and need to stand out. And the way you do it is by putting something together yourself that people can use that you join your team. And then you can get an important email list. Now I've got some emails already inside LeadsLeap, so I'll probably just update them and change them over to the Save Club opportunity, and also tie them in with other sort of traffic programs as well. So quite a lot there, guys, but the funnel's quite good. It's quite effective. Gives a quick company product overview, like I say. Then it gives my how to join and get started and the latest webinar. So you're offering people a lot more value. You're telling people a lot more about the program, what it involves, instead of just say, there's the page, get signed up. And it's all about separating yourself from everybody else and giving a lot more value out. And like I said, you're going to get a copy of the pages and my traffic pages and everything else, and I'll be adding to that all the time. Plus, I've already put together my own Facebook group. It's just starting to grow slowly. It's only about 24 hours old. Got just around 19-20 members in there at the moment. People are coming in, so I'll be adding to that. I'll be putting webinars in there, maybe do some lives in there, and everything that I've put up available, I'll be putting up for everybody that joins me. So that's just about it, guys. It's about the 8-minute mark. I do try and keep these videos as short as possible, definitely under 10 minutes, so they don't ramble on too long. So drop a like on the video, much appreciated, does help it, and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Let me know if you've got any comments or questions down below. I'll leave the link to join Save Club down below this video. Get on board. And once I see you on board, obviously I'll give you access to all the tools and traffic, etc. that I have, and I will be adding to it. I'll be adding more trainings and stuff like that, so giving you maximum chance of creating as many leads as possible. That's what it's all about. The more visits you get, the more leads you get, the more pre-enrollees, and then will lead to upgraded members, and that's basically how the system works. So thanks for watching, guys. Whatever you're doing, have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers now.